In this video clip, we learn nonlinear and exponential trend forecasting. A nonlinear regression model can be used when the time series exhibits a nonlinear trend. In a quadratic form, we have yi equals beta 0 plus beta 1 xi plus beta 2 xi squared plus epsilon I. Here we can create a variable xi squared. Then we can run a multiple linear regression in Excel to estimate beta 0, beta 1, and beta 2. We may compare adjusted R-squared and standard error of this model with a linear model where we only have the linear term to see whether there is an improvement. We can try other nonlinear functional forms to obtain best fit. Another nonlinear trend model is called the exponential trend model, where we have yi equals beta 0 times beta 1 to the power of xi times epsilon I. We can take logarithm transformation on both sides. Then we obtain log yi equals log beta 0 plus log beta 1 times xi plus log epsilon I. So here you can see we can run a linear regression with dependent variable log yi and independent variable xi. Suppose we obtain an equation log yi hat equals b0 plus b1 xi. So here b0 is the estimate of logarithm of beta 0 and b1 is the estimate of log beta 1. Then from here we can obtain beta 1 hat or estimate of beta 1. We can use 10 to the power of b1. Then we have an economic interpretation. Beta 1 hat minus 1 in percentage is the estimated compound growth rate per time period in percentage. We can select a trend model using differences. We use a linear trend model if the first differences are approximately constant, like here. We use a quadratic trend model if the second differences are approximately constant, like in this equation. Finally, we use an exponential trend model if the percentage differences are approximately constant, like we see in this equation.